Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook almonds in an air fryer. First, make sure your raw almonds are completely dry. Any moisture can affect the roasting process. Next, preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This initial step helps ensure the almonds cook evenly from the start, giving them a consistent texture and golden color. Once preheated, lightly toss your almonds with 1 teaspoon of olive oil and any desired seasonings, perhaps a pinch of sea salt or a dash of cinnamon. Then, arrange the seasoned almonds in a single layer in your air fryer basket. It is important not to overcrowd the basket. This ensures the hot air can circulate freely, which is essential for uniform roasting. Place the basket into the preheated air fryer and cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for an initial duration of 6 minutes. After 3 minutes, carefully remove the basket and give it a good shake. This simple action helps redistribute the almonds, ensuring they roast evenly and achieve that perfect crunch on all sides. After the initial 6 minutes, pull out the basket and check your almonds. They should be a beautiful light golden brown and emit a wonderful, toasty aroma. If they need more time, return them to the air fryer for an extra 1 to 2 minutes, checking frequently. Remember, air fryers can cook quickly, so close monitoring prevents overroasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.